Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to 5 Siddiq and 5 Amanah. Today is already 8th of July 2021. So as for today, there are two different videos that you have to watch. So I hope before you watch this video, you have watched the first video, which is about Robert Wadlow, the Gentle Giant. Okay, you can refer to page 77. And for this video, it will be about page 77, which will discuss the language focus, which are about past simple, questions, and the structure of it. Alright. Okay, before I go into details about question in simple past tense, I want to discuss, or to rather revise, what we learned in the past few days. Kita tengok balik apa yang kita belajar sebelum ni. Okay, so before this, you learned about affirmative and negative. Okay, you learn about this one. Okay, you can look at the table here. Kamu boleh tengok jadual ni, affirmative and negative. Okay, I would just want to revise. Affirmative is actually the positive sentence you involve, or the persons involved in that action. Okay, orang tu terlibat dalam benda tu. Okay, contoh dia, tengok sini. Okay, this one is affirmative. Okay, right, affirmative. And then you look here, for example, he worked. Okay, past tense. Okay, past tense for work, worked. Right, so if you want to change this into negative sentence, you just need to add what? You just need to add did not. Okay, but okay, you look the different here. This one, I didn't use worked. I used the base form, did not work. Okay, why? Because of this, because of the auxiliary did. Okay, tengok ni bandingan dia. Sini yang ni worked, ed, ni tak ada ed. Kenapa? Sebab ada did ni, auxiliary did. Okay, boleh faham Like I always mention, negative, you must always use did not plus base form, kata asal. Itulah maksud cikgu. Okay, now you look at this part, question. Right, question, kalau kita nak buat soalan daripada ni, so we have to use the auxiliary in the beginning of the sentence. Kita guna auxiliary did ni yang pertama. Okay, contoh dia macam ni did he work, did he work yesterday. Right, okay. Lepas ni kita akan terangkan lagi. Okay, contoh kedua. Okay, affirmative, he went, dia telah pergi ke sekolah. Okay, negative dia, you just add did, isn't it? He and not, he did not go to school. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, after did you must followed by base form. Okay, ini affirmative, dia past tense. Okay, bila ada did, dia berubah jadi base form. Okay, kamu kena ingat past tense ada regular and irregular. Regular yang ada ed, irregular dia berubah tu, berubah atau dia tidak berubah. Contoh ni dia berubah. Okay, and then kita nak buat questions. Kita buat questions So kita guna dulu did, auxiliary did, ambil je subject dia, did he go to school. Okay, it's very simple, no? Okay, kita pergi tengok contoh ketiga. He finished the work. Affirmative. Negative, we just add did not, okay, followed by base form. Base form, finish. So question here, did he finish the work? Alright. Okay. Next, they cleaned the house. Clean, past tense, regular verb. Negative, tambah did, tambah not, base form again. They did not clean the house. Perkataan asal, base form tu maksudnya clean. Okay. Questions, did they clean the house? Okay, the last example, we bought new books. Okay, irregular. We bought new books. Kami telah beli buku baru. So, negative, we did not buy new books. Okay, base form again, did not buy. So, questions, did we buy new books? Right. Okay, you look at this slide. Sorry. Alright. How to make questions in simple past tense. Okay, you can refer to your textbook page 77. I took this from that page. Okay, perasan tak tadi? Banyak soalan diguna did, right? So, in past tense. So, if you want to make questions in past tense, you can follow this step. Okay, the first one is, okay, question words, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb, and other words. Okay, question words, like I always mention in the class, are the WH questions, right? For example, how, when, what, why. Okay, so that's question words. Okay, if you notice here, they are questions that contain question words, and they are questions that did not contain question words. Ada soalan yang ada how, when, ada yang tak ada. Okay, so actually it depends on the situation. Kita kena tengok situasi itulah nak jawab, nak soal macam mana. Okay, cikgu dah letak kat sini contoh dia. Okay, you look here, auxiliary verb, cikgu letak did. Okay, sorry. Okay, cikgu letak did. Okay, I use did. Kalau soalan mula dengan did. Okay, ni subjek dia anggaplah lelaki. Tak kisahlah lelaki ke perempuan ke. Lelaki we use he, right? Kalau perempuan she. Okay, did he, okay, look again. Did he have any brothers and sisters? Okay, so don't get confused. We are making questions in simple past tense, isn't it? Okay, like I mentioned just mentioned about 55 minutes ago. Okay, after did, you must use what? Base form. Base form tu kata asal, ingat. So, kamu tak boleh cakap did he had any brothers and sisters. Okay, cuba kamu faham Kamu tak boleh cakap did he had any brothers and sister. Ni dalam past tense kan. Past tense untuk have ni had. Tapi cikgu tak guna past tense kat sini. Cikgu guna have. Sebab apa? Sebab ada ni, did ni. Whenever you write by using auxiliary verb did, it must be followed by base form. Kena kata dasar have. Okay, tengok contoh kedua Contoh kedua, did he go to university? Okay, I use did here. Cikgu guna did, and then subject dia he. Okay, go to university. Okay, look at this word, go. Past tense dia went kan. Cikgu tak guna did he went to university. Cikgu guna did he go. Why? Because of did again. Okay, kalau dia did dia mesti guna perkataan asal, verb, main verb Verb ingat kata kerja. Okay, you look at next example. How did he become famous? Okay, so this one I use how. Okay, how ni bagaimana in Malay. So that's why I said it depends in the situation. So dalam situasi ni, how did he become famous? Maksudnya bagaimana dia menjadi terkenal. So you want to ask someone, you want to ask someone about his his popularity, his situation. Okay, you need to have question words because you are asking questions to someone. So kamu boleh guna how, tengok ni, still lagi guna did. You are still using this word, this word. How did he become famous? Alright. Did followed by base form, kata asal. Okay. And the last one, when. I use when here. When did he die? When ni bila. Okay, bila dia meninggal. Okay, so did here again and followed by base form, kata asal die. Tak boleh cakap died. Alright, it's wrong. So the tip here is, if you use auxiliary verb did, the main verb should be in base form. Ada jumpa did je, mesti guna perkataan asal. Okay, base form tu kata asal. Faham Okay. Alright, so we move on to next lesson. Okay, ini how to make questions from statements. Okay, in page 77, exercise 3, you are given a few sentences and you are required to write questions from the statements. Okay, for example, I take number 1. Okay, you can look in your textbook as well. The statement is, he went to school in Ontario, Canada. He went to school in Ontario, Canada. Okay, the statement is in past tense. Okay, kenapa past tense? Sebab apa? Sebab ada perkataan when. When tu past tense for go. So how to make question here? Alright, he went to school in Ontario, Canada. Okay, school ni adalah tempat kan? School ni adalah lokasi, tempat. So if you are going to ask someone about location, so the most appropriate question word is where. Okay, we use where here. So the question is, where did he go to school? Where did he go to school? Right? Okay, did I use go here? Tengok sini. Cikgu guna go So where did he go to school? I use did followed by go, the base form word for went. So go is the base form for went. Faham Okay, perkataan asal dia. Sebab apa kena guna perkataan asal? Sebab dia did. Okay. Next. Okay. The second example. Number 2. His family moved to the USA when he was 17. Okay. You look at the sentence again. So, moved. Regular verb for move. Past tense for move. So, his family moved to the USA when he was 17. Okay, how we want to ask question by referring to the statement? Okay, tengok. So 17. Okay, you look at the word 17. 17, it indicates time. Ia merupakan masa kan, umur 17 tahun. So, if we are going to ask someone about time, so the most appropriate question word is when, bila. Okay, so auxiliary did, still did. Okay, when did his family move to the USA? Okay, again, did we use base form? Move, berbeza, this one move present tense, this one past tense, or base form here, move ni. Okay, the subject I take from here, this family ada kat statement tu kan, cikgu ambil. Alright, faham Okay, next. Statement, no, he didn't go to university. Okay. This one is quite different from the two examples above. Okay, kenapa dia berbeza? Sebab tengok ni Okay. The statement start with no. Dia mula dengan no kan? Okay, no. Okay. So, kalau dia bermula dengan no or yes, we start with auxiliary verb. Contoh, did he go to school? Alright, did he go to school? Kenapa cikgu pergi ambil go? Sebab ni. Okay, dia pun ada auxiliary kat sini. Dia pergi kat sini, go. Sama. Okay, did he go to school? Right? So the answer is no, he didn't go to school. Okay. Like I always told you before MCO, if the question start with did, the answer should be yes or no, right? Tengok yang betul tak? Okay. I hope you can understand how to write questions by using past tense. Okay. So the tips to write or to ask questions in simple past tense. The first one is you must use the auxiliary verb did. Kamu guna did kan? Contoh tadi, did he go to university? Okay, did he have any brothers and sisters? Okay, after the auxiliary did, you must be followed by base form. Selepas did ni ingat, mesti kena guna base form. Did he go? Did ni past tense, tapi go tu base form. Okay, kena guna perkataan asal. Okay, and number 3, you can also use WH questions if you think it is necessary. Kamu boleh guna WH question tu kalau kamu rasa sesuai. Okay, it depends on the situations. Ia bergantung pada situasi. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you. And please do your quiz after this.